Okay, we're remounting the fender now. What sizes those were? With an Allen socket out here. Got this one?
Yep.
Okay. Is there a nut back there? Oh, there it goes. Okay, that's just lightly tightened down. That's cross-threading. Oh yeah, not even close to being square. Threads are not happy.
No. Fender's a piece of shit.
And those threads are probably cross-threaded and stripped out halfway. Let's make a new one, I think. Yeah, that's actually pretty tight there. Loosen it up a little bit so you move it.
There we go. Get this washer.
Washer on this fender?
Shouldn't do it. I mean, there's not many threads to work with.
The whole damn fender ain't all that much.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna live here very long anyway.
No. It's temporary.
It's very screwed up. Where's your bolt for this side?
Here.
Fit in this hole. Hole's not big enough for the damn socket. Oh. Not even lock nuts or anything, huh? Nice.
I mean, I got them.
Well, the regular nut's not going to stay on there, it's going to fall right off. Lock nut washer. So I guess a lock washer with a standard nut.
That's all I got.
There's not much intended to fall off, so I guess we're okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Use the wrench to tighten out the Allen. You just strip out the Allen by tightening with the Allen. See how much more torque you get. You should use a box if you can get a box in there, but does this fit in there? Is there enough room or too much? No room? Alright. Sometimes there is, most of the time there isn't. Tighten up the other side. The nut's loose. Bolt's tight, nut's loose.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Put your fingers down there, it's sharp. Nobody deburred the sharp edge.
No, they did not.
You should have rolled the lip over with a hammer and beat it around, double lip it, fold it over.
Yeah.
You still get some strains, but you don't make yourself bleed.
I will be putting a new fender on this.
Oh, this is a cream puff. Look at that. That's a cream puff. Yeah, can't ask for any better quality than that. So when are you gonna cut the pipe off?
Maybe another night.
Oh. Simmer on it, figure out where we want to cut it. Or we're just going to heat up the torch and bend that back one. Probably when we got to cut.
Yeah.
Back when we can heat up the torch and put a nice big blue roseberry mark down there and bend that sucker out with a fork tube jammed up its butt. It's actually pretty easy to do. It's the easiest way of doing it and the least amount of effort. So this one here, we got to tighten up all the stuff in the back, the bracket, get the pipe tight, get it off the master cylinder. We cut off the front. First we cut it off up in the front, get that out of the way completely. And then that'll tell us how we're gonna modify the pipe to fit in the very front where your hand is. And we'll have to take it off a few times to take the two parts and grind them so they sit flat, and we can weld them back on. And then to get that front pipe hung in there really nice where it needs to be. And the back pipe, like I said, I think it might be easier just to heat up the torch and bend the piss out of it, but it'll make that whole curve right there, just all that aqua black burnt color. Perfect.
It's your favorite color?
Yeah, it works. Otherwise you gotta cut it,
Twist it,
weld it. You're still going to have a big mark on there, and if you go in there and grind it, you're still going to have an area that's that wide, it's all ground, so what the hell's the difference? And then you're going to have a big lip on the inside of the pipe that lacks good flow. If you bend it, it doesn't hurt the flow any. It's nice and smooth on the inside, unless you do something stupid like crush it or wrinkle it. And even then it'll still flow better than a big-ass welding turtle weight around the inside.
Okay. So yeah, we just bend it?
Yeah, we can do that pretty easily. Probably do it off the bike, might be a little easier off the bike. Hard to tell. You gotta figure out how you're gonna hold on to it.
Okay.
It's more than just your hand.
Yeah.
But all right, well, you got a big jump on that stuff done.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get a quart of oil in it, and then let it set, and the oil will seep on through the lines in the motor.
Okay.
Over a day or two. When you start it up, the oil should be right there. This motor ran before, I imagine.
Oh yeah.
How long ago?
It's been about 6 months.
All right. The oil's still in the motor in 6 months. Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, so it should have instant oil pressure. As soon as it starts, it'll suck whatever air is in there right through real quick, so it won't be a problem. So yep, we'll be able to make it fire right on up like it's supposed to.
Cool.
All right, that's it for that on this one.